Killjoy gives argument that these strong technologies, if not managed with care, might create a future in which humans lose control. This could present big risks to human rights, including privacy and freedom. Killjoy supports careful approach towards technological growth. He recommends that firstly, the society should recognize dangers possessed by this progress and be conscious of how they can violate basic rights.
As a student, the face of technological advances requires approach on ethical guidelines and public awareness. We must create agreements and laws to address potential human rights violation arising from new technologies while fostering the culture of a responsible innovation and individual freedoms.
We require strong legal frameworks, moral strengths, and public awareness to promote accountability and responsible innovation in order to safeguard human rights in the face of technological advances.
Yes, because of three reasons. The easier access of information, summarized definition and concepts, and misleading information. Thus, people will make less effort in actively learning new things.
I believe Google does not make people stupid as it provides increased access to information, it can also improve research skills, and furthermore, it can enhance the productivity of a person.
Google doesn't make people stupid, but excessive reliance can hinder a person's critical thinking, memory, and creativity, emphasizing the need for responsible technology usage and critical thinking to prevent such consequences.
In addition, Google doesn't make us stupid because it provides us the database of millions of possible things that we might possibly search for.
Billjoy makes a strong point when he says the future might not feed us. He's worried that technologies like AI and robotics are advancing so quickly that they could eventually outpace our control, leaving humans behind.
He's concerned these advancements could take over jobs we typically feel and be misused, especially as they become more accessible to individuals and organizations with the right resources.
Absolutely. While Joy raises valid points, it's crucial for us to maintain control. Our empathy and ethical choices should guide these technologies to ensure they help us rather than harm us.